Hi. Previously, I have explained you the below grade and above grade features of the SDS. Now, I'm just going to show you the lightning protection of the assembly over here. So, in my above grade tool, I have the option available to create the rolling spear over here. So, you can just select it. And here, my tool is saying to select the mast. So, there are three masts available in our assembly. So, just select that one and just say enter from your keyboard, and the the rolling spear is started creating. Here you can follow the changes. Once done, I will show you in the another video how to add the cone protection over here. So here you can see the rolling spear is creating now. So it's about to finish. Now I'll just show you the different angle of the assembly over here. Okay. So here you can see how our rolling spear is created. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.